Welcome, Winx Club fans! Today we dive deep into Season 3, Episode 21, a pivotal moment in the escalating conflict with Valtor. The episode opens with a palpable tension at Althea. Valtor's strategic movements are reported across the magic dimension. He targets magical locations, weakening protective barriers. Headmistress Faragonda warns the Winx of his careful planning. Bloom feels the heavy burden of leadership. She questions her readiness to guide her friends through this dangerous confrontation. Her doubts aren't about her power, but the potential consequences of failure. The weight of responsibility is immense. Stella, ever the light, hides her anxiety with humor, striving to keep the team's morale high amidst the growing threat. Flora worries deeply about the environmental damage. Valtor's corruption threatens the natural worlds she cherishes. Musa reflects on the importance of emotional harmony. She knows unity is key to overcoming their formidable foe. Tekna meticulously analyzes Valtor's attack patterns. She seeks to anticipate his next strategy, using her intellect. Aisha remains practical and determined, pushing for discipline and preparedness. Her resolve is unwavering. The Winx receive urgent news. A magical location is under threat. It holds symbolic importance for the magic dimension's harmony. They travel there. Understanding this confrontation could reveal Valtor's ultimate objective and his true power. Upon arrival, they discover dark magic has already taken effect, making the environment unstable and dangerous. Valtor is destabilizing sources of power, making him more dangerous than ever. The Winx must act fast. The Winx face dark creatures and illusions designed to exploit their deepest insecurities and fears. Bloom is confronted with visions challenging her leadership confidence, momentarily paralyzing her with doubt. The scene emphasizes that fear can be the greatest enemy, even for the most powerful fairy. As Bloom hesitates, her friends stand by her, reminding her that leadership doesn't mean standing alone. They fight together, covering weaknesses and reinforcing strengths, breaking the illusions and weakening the dark spell. Valtor briefly reveals himself, confident and calculating, observing and testing the Winx from a distance. He views this as a larger game and leaves a chilling warning about the final phase of his plan before disappearing. The Winx stabilize the magical location, but the victory feels incomplete as Valtor remains steps ahead. Back at Althea, Faragonda acknowledges their success, but cautions that harder trials are still ahead. Bloom accepts her role, realizing doubt is a natural part of responsibility, and true leadership means acting despite uncertainty. She thanks her friends, understanding her strength comes from standing with them, not commanding them. This episode reinforces the theme that power must be guided by unity and trust. Friendship transforms abilities into true strength. The emotional stakes are deepened, preparing the audience for the season's climax. The Winx stand together, stronger and wiser. They are more united than ever, ready for their final confrontation with Valtor. Stay tuned for more Winx Club analysis.